Recently, AI did something huge. It's not just about faster computers or smarter apps. This breakthrough has people talking a lot. Some are excited, seeing a big step forward. Others worry we might be going too far, too fast. What's clear is this: AI is changing things in big ways. This month, we're looking at the latest in AI. We'll see how it's changing work, fun, and even how we think about right and wrong. Advanced AI models and architectures. The world of AI is moving fast, and Gemini 1.5 is at the forefront. This new model from Google isn't just another update, it's a big change in how AI thinks and works. Gemini 1.5 uses something called a mixture of experts architecture. This means it doesn't rely on one big AI brain. Instead, it has many smaller brains, each good at different things. When you ask it a question, it picks the best brain for the job. This makes Gemini 1.5 not just smarter, but also faster and less hungry for power and data. It can handle up to 1 million tokens. That's like reading a book with 750,000 words in one go. For AI research, this is a big deal. It means AI can understand and create much longer pieces of text, opening doors to new kinds of tasks it couldn't handle before. Then there's Sora, another leap forward, but for videos. Sora can make videos that look real, up to 60 minutes long, just from text instructions. This is something new. Until now, AI could make short clips or edit bits of existing video. Sora changes the game. It can craft a whole story with scenes flowing into each other, realistic characters, and even detailed settings. The quality is so high that it's hard to tell these videos were made by a machine. For filmmakers, advertisers, and anyone who tells stories through video, Sora offers a new way to create without the high costs or long hours usually needed. It's not just about making things easier or cheaper. Sora's ability to create long, realistic videos could change how we learn, entertain ourselves, and connect. Both Gemini 1.5 and Sora show us what's possible when we push AI further. They make AI more powerful and versatile, ready to tackle bigger challenges and create new opportunities across all kinds of work, from writing and research to filmmaking and beyond. Next up, let's find out how AI is becoming more like a friend you can chat with, remembering your past and helping shape your future. Enhancing human-AI interaction. ChatGPT now remembers past talks, making chats feel more like talking to a friend who knows you. Before, you'd have to remind it who you are each time. Now, say you mentioned your daughter's love for jellyfish last time. Next time, you might find ChatGPT suggesting a visit to an aquarium for her birthday without you having to repeat that detail. This memory feature means ChatGPT can offer tips and ideas that fit your likes, needs, and life stories better. It's like having a chat with someone who gets you more with each conversation. On another front, NVIDIA's chat with RTX is setting new standards for how we interact with AI. It works right on your computer, even without the internet, making use of powerful AI models for all sorts of tasks. You can ask it to sift through documents, find information, or even give creative advice, all by itself. What's special here is how it uses your data, safely on your device without sending it off somewhere else. This means faster responses and no waiting for a server far away to do the work. These updates are all about making AI more useful and easy to talk to. By remembering past chats, AI can be more helpful, suggesting things you might like or need without you having to explain everything all over again. And with tools like NVIDIA's, AI becomes a personal assistant that's there whenever you need it, ready to help with just about anything, from finding a lost file to planning a project or even learning something new. It's a big step toward AI that's more like a smart, helpful friend than just a tool. Now let's see how AI is turning the tables in creativity, making content creation as easy as talking. AI in content creation and editing. NID AI is changing how we make videos with a feature that turns your voice into video content. Before, creating a video took a lot of steps: scripting, filming, and editing. Now, NID AI simplifies it. You talk, and it creates. This means if you're a blogger, marketer, or teacher, you can produce videos quickly without needing a big budget or fancy equipment. For example, say you're teaching a cooking class. Just describe your recipe, and NID AI can show it in a video, making learning more fun and engaging. Then there's Stable Cascade, an AI that turns written words into pictures. Artists and designers are finding it useful. Say you need a logo or a book cover. Instead of spending hours sketching and coloring, you write what you're imagining, and Stable Cascade creates it. This doesn't just save time, it opens new doors for creativity. You can experiment with ideas without needing to draw each one out, finding the best match faster. And the images aren't just quick, they're high quality, detailed, and right on what you asked for. Both these technologies, NID AI and Stable Cascade, are big news for anyone creating content. They make it easier to bring ideas to life, whether it's through video or images. For people building brands, teaching, or just sharing their creativity, this means they can make more content faster and with less stress over the cost or needing special skills. It's a step toward a future where what you imagine can be made real almost as soon as you think it. Coming up, discover the game-changing potential of AI chips and how they're setting the stage for the future of tech. Infrastructure and AI chips. Sam Altman's project to develop AI chips is stirring up the tech world. His goal: to make chips specifically for AI tasks, which could change how fast and efficiently AI systems work. Today, many AI programs depend on general-purpose chips, which aren't always the best fit for complex AI needs. Altman's idea is to create chips that do AI tasks directly, making everything from understanding language to recognizing images faster and using less power. If successful, this could shake up the market, challenging big names like NVIDIA, which currently leads in AI chip technology. For businesses and developers, this means AI could become more accessible, opening up new possibilities for innovation. Open Interface is another exciting development showing how AI can take over routine tasks, making our work easier and more efficient. This tool uses AI to control your computer, doing everything from organizing files to managing emails, all on its own. The big win here is time saving. Instead of clicking through folders or typing out responses, Open Interface does it for you, learning from your habits to get better over time. However, there are limits. When tasks get too complex or unusual, the system can struggle, and there's always the question of privacy and security when you let AI handle your personal or work files. Together, Altman's AI chips and tools like Open Interface highlight a future where AI is not just a helper, but a fundamental part of how technology works. This could mean faster progress in fields like medicine, where AI can process data or assist in research much quicker than before. But it also means we need to think carefully about how these tools fit into our lives, balancing the benefits of automation with the need to keep our information safe and secure. The advancements come with their own set of challenges. Up next, we will discuss the ethical dilemmas AI is bringing to the forefront. Ethical and social implications. Monetizing voices through AI brings up big questions about privacy and who owns a voice. When a company uses someone's voice to make money, it's not always clear how much control the person has over their voice anymore. There's worry that someone's voice could end up saying things they never would, which could lead to confusion or harm. Plus, there's the question of how private information is kept safe when it's used by AI in this way. AI's ability to create realistic videos and images also comes with challenges, especially around spreading false information. Videos that look real but aren't can trick people, leading to misunderstandings or even affecting elections and public opinion. This is tricky because on one hand, AI that creates realistic content can be useful for things like education or entertainment. But on the other hand, It's important to make sure this power isn't used to mislead or harm people. This is where rules and laws might need to step in to help balance the good with the potential risks. Both of these issues point to a bigger picture. As AI becomes a bigger part of life, it's crucial to think about how it affects not just what we can do, but also our rights and safety, whether it's making sure people have control over their voices or keeping false information in check. Finding the right path forward with AI means looking closely at both the cool things it can do and the new problems it might bring up. But how AI is shaping the future of our planet and daily lives. Let's see. Emerging trends and future directions. AI is making big moves in tackling climate change and improving healthcare. In the fight against global warming, AI helps scientists predict weather patterns more accurately, making it easier to prepare for extreme weather. It's also being used to track and reduce carbon emissions by optimizing energy use in buildings and cars. In healthcare, AI tools help doctors diagnose diseases quicker and with more accuracy. For example, AI can scan medical images to spot signs of cancer early, giving patients a better chance at recovery. Looking ahead, AI could change how we learn and work in exciting ways. In education, AI can offer lessons that match each student's learning style, making it easier for everyone to understand new ideas. This means a class could have students at different levels, but each would get the attention they need. Plus, AI can make education more available, helping students from all over the world access lessons and resources that might have been out of reach before. In the workplace, AI might take over repetitive tasks, freeing up people to focus on more complex problems. This could make jobs more interesting and reduce mistakes in everything from data entry to manufacturing. Also, AI could help businesses understand their customers better, offering personalized services without needing a big team. These changes show how AI could make our world smarter, safer, and more fair. But as AI gets better, it's also important to make sure it's used in ways that are good for everyone, keeping an eye on privacy and making sure no one is left behind. This balance between the benefits and challenges of AI will shape how it changes our lives in the years to come. We've looked at how AI is changing things, from making videos and pictures to helping the planet and keeping us healthy. But with these big steps come big questions, especially about what's right and wrong. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about all this? Are you excited or worried? What do you want to learn next? Drop your thoughts and questions below.